we lost a cobra named Cody. One of our keepers went to the cage, discovered that he's missing.
Some food for him. I brought some food for him. Do you want to see the food I brought for him? Because usually I take food. I brought some Spam for him. And then sometimes... Oh, just please, God, let him be okay. Please, Cody. Please, 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 Cody.
I'm using a stick because if I see him, I'd rather be able to stick to find him first before my feet touch him, because if I step on him, he could bite me and I could die. Cody! And cobras hate rain, so he might slither away. Cody! Cody? A lot of times cobras, when it's raining, they seek shelter. So I'm going to look in here, see if I see him in here. But I'm also being very careful using my stick. Cody! And if you see Cody, or you know someone who's seen Cody, please have them call 1-800-SNAKE-IT. Again, that's 1-800-SNAKE-IT.